All aboard!
Hi, I'm Luke, and today we'll be opening this Thomas and Friends TrackMaster Diesel. First, let's go ahead and look at Diesel himself. We'll notice he has a bright and cheerful face on the front. He has a different type of wheels and an on-off switch on the front. On the bottom, if you unscrew here, you put in 2 AAA batteries. And we'll notice this side looks the same as the other. Now, let's compare him to the old version of TrackMaster. You'll notice in the new version, his face looks a little bit more cheerful. The old version also has black buffers, where the new one doesn't. The sides look about the same, but the wheels are a little different. The new one has more divots, while the old one doesn't appear to, because they're smaller. We'll notice the other side is the same, but the new version of TrackMaster is a little bit smaller than the old one. Now that we've taken a look at Diesel, let's go ahead and look at the car that comes with him. If we take a close look at the car, we'll notice there's this symbol on the side that looks like either dynamite or fireworks. We'll also notice there's a door, but it doesn't open. The other side has the exact same thing. It has 4 wheels, a coupler on the front, and a coupler on the back. Now let's hook it up to Diesel and see what he can do on the tracks. Wow, playing with this new TrackMaster Diesel was really fun. I hope we get to play with someone just as fun next time. But we have to say goodbye to Diesel for today. Bye, Diesel. Thanks for watching. Now, you can watch another one of my Thomas and Friends videos, or one of my other friends' videos. Our pictures are always in the corner like these 4 examples. And please, don't forget to subscribe.